Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Today, Honorable Mr. Kostiawan Sukamto, SPD MT. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sriat Mantulangi. I am a student from the Geological Engineering study program. I am from class A. I here will present a PowerPoint assignment regarding the material entitled Chemistry in Geological Process. I apologize, sir, if my English pronounce is still not good. Okay. Uh, Introduction. General explanation of the relationship between basic chemistry and geological process. Basic chemistry plays a crucial role in understanding geological process because almost all geological phenomena involve material transformation governed by chemical principles. This relationship can be seen in several aspects. Almost composition of minerals and rocks. Minerals and rocks are composite of chemical elements bonded together. Understanding the chemical structure of minerals explains the physical and chemical properties of rocks. Chemical reaction in geological process. Process like weathering, metamorphosis, volcanism, and sedimentary rock formation depend on chemical reaction. For example, chemical wet- wet- weathering occurs through interaction between water, air, and rock minerals. Okay, next. Geology Geochemical cycles. The movement of chemical elements like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus within the biospheres, atmospheres, hydrospheres, and lithospheres is at the core of many geological processes, such as natural resource formation. Pressure and temperature conditions. Change in pressure and temperature within the Earth's crust affect the stability of minerals and chemical reaction, leading to rock transformation, rock metamorphosis, or magma formation. Analysis and age determination. Techniques like radioactive isotope analysis are used to determine the age of rocks, fossil, or specific geological formation based on the chemical principle of radioactive decay. Next. Why is chemistry important in geology? Chemistry, in, chemistry is a fundamental tool for understanding interaction between minerals, uh, process of rock formation, transformation, and weathering. Predictions chemical reaction under specific geological conditions. Identifying natural resources like metals, oils, and natural gas. Weathering and erosion process. Rock weathering Rock weathering is a physical and chemical process that transforms rocks into smaller particles and more stable minerals. Chemical reaction is weathering contribute to soil formation by creating foundational materials and enriching the soil with essential minerals. Below are some Key chemical reaction involved in rock weathering. Oxidation. Oxidation occurs when certain minerals react with oxygen, often through water contact. This process converts mineral like pyrite (FeS2) into more stable oxide minerals. Next, hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is the reaction between water and mineral leading to change in the mineral chemical structure. This process is common in feldspar, a primary rock forming mineral. Mineral formation. Number one, crystallization from solution. Crystallization occurs when ions in a saturated solution bond to form solid minerals, usually due to cooling or evaporation. 2. Preci- Precipitation from solution. Precipi- Precipitation occurs when change in temperature, pressure, or pH trigger ions in a solution to form solid minerals. 3. Magmatic process. Minerals from the cooling of magma as magma cools. Elements such as silicon, oxygen, and metals crystallize into minerals. 4. Transformation in metamorphism. Minerals can form through chemical reaction in high temperature and high pressure environments, such as metamorphic zones. Minerals from through various chemical processes, including crystallization from the liquid solution, magmatic activity, and transformation of exciting minerals due to environmental change. Example of minerals and these chemical reaction information. Number one, quartz, SeO2. Process crystallization directly from magma or precipitate Preci- precipitation from hydrothermal solution, environment, mountain range, or rock fractures. 2. Calcite, CaCO3. Process precipitation from carbonate-rich solution, environment caves, shallow seas, or carbonate deposit in lakes. Rock cycle. Chemical processes are crucial in the rock cycles, which involves igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. In igneous rocks from the rock magma cooling, where minerals like quartz crystallize. The magma composition determines rock types, such as basalt, mafic, or granite felsic. In sedimentary rocks, chemical weathering, hydrolysis, oxidation, carbonation breaks down minerals into dissolved ions. These ions precipitate to from rocks like limestone or halite. Next, metamorphic rocks from rock mineral transformation due to high pressure and temperature without melting. Process like recrystallization and solid-state reaction create new minerals such as garnet or quartzite. quartzite. Hydrothermal fluids also facilitate ion exchange, altering rock composition. Example of chemistry application in geology. 1. Metal extraction process. Metal extraction involves chemical reaction like oxidation and reduction. For instance, copper is extracted from chalcopyrite using pyrometallurgical methods. The process includes roasting to form oxide and reduction using carbon. In real life application, Grasberg mine in Papua applies this reaction to produce high quality copper. To rock composition analysis. Chemistry is used to determine rock composition through techniques like X-ray fluorescence, XRV, XRF, or mass spectrometry. This analysis identify elements like silica in igneous or sedimentary rocks. Real life application studies on volcanic rocks in active volcanic regions help predict eruption based on mineral and gas contents. 3. Slope stability and geotechnique. Chemical reaction influence slope stability through chemical weathering. For example, feldspar weathers into kaolinite. Kaolinite. Real life application open pit mine design such as Batu Hijau account for chemical weathering to prevent landslide. 4. Mine waste management. Acid mine drainage AMD arise from sulfide mineral oxidation such as pyrite. The acidity is neutralized using lime. Real life application coal mine reclamation in Kalimantan use chemical method to minimize environmental impact. 5. Geotechnical infrastructure development. Chemistry help assess construction material stability. For instance, construct may react with sulfides in the soil, forming gypsum that weaken structure. Real-life application geochemical analysis are conducted before the construction to prevent chemical damage. Conclusion: chemistry is essential in geology from resource extraction, rock analysis, and geotechnical risk mitigation to environmental management. Understanding chemical process optimize exploration and environmental protection efforts. Challenge and solution in using chemistry to understand geological process. One complexity of geological system. Geological process like weathering, mineral formation, and hydrothermal reaction involve various factors: temperature, pressure, time, and chemical solution, making it challenging to model and understand chemical reaction precisely. Solution: thermodynamic based on computer simulation and laboratory experiment under extreme conditions help reconstruct chemical process in nature. 2. Difficulty in collecting field data. Remote location, such as deep sea floors or high mountains, make it difficult to collect samples for chemical analysis. The solution: portable analytic device like X-ray fluorescence spectrometer enable on-site chemical analysis, reducing the need for lab-based evaluation. 3. Environmental pollution from mining. Mining activities produce acid mine drainage due to oxidation of sulfide minerals, contaminating groundwater and nearby ecosystem. Solution: chemical neutralization, neutralization, neutralis, neutralization Neutralization: adding alkaline substance like lime to neutralize acidity and precipitate heavy metals. Biore- Bioremediation: using microorganisms to convert sulfate ions into insoluble sulfides, reduction pollution. 4. Trace elements analysis in rocks. Trace elements in rocks are vital for understanding geochemical evolution, but their long concentration require highly sensitive and expensive analytical tools like ICP-MS. Solution: Um, Advanced technologies like ablation (ICP-MS) enable precision trace element analysis using minimal samples, improving efficiency. 5. Chemical effect on geotechnical stability. Chemical weathering weakens rock strength, affecting the stability of geotechnical structure, such as mine slopes. For instance, the weathering of spellspar into kaolinite reduces mechanical durability. Solution regular chemical monitoring of rocks and the application of chemical stabilizer such as grouting or pro- protective coatings to reinforce structures. Conclusion: geological face numerous challenges in applying the chemistry to understand geological process, including complex system, environmental pollution, and technological imi- limitation. However, advancement in analytical technology and mitigation methods such as bioremediation bioremediation, and chemical simulation provide effective solutions to address geological environmental issues. Uh, this reference, this is my reference in book. Okay, thank you for your attention. All colleges, geology is not only about understanding rocks and layers of the earth, but also about maintaining our relationship with this planet, its layer of soil stories. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.